just like 1,000 nights before. I climb the steep again this night, 'cause the place seems still alive when the smoke is going down. This is the place where I belong. I really love to turn you on. I've got your sound still in my ear, while your traces disappear. I climb the steep again this night, 'cause the place seems still alive when the smoke is going down.
This is Six Brothers Minusau, owned and managed by user Melchor Kia, located at Barangay Hinis, Leon, Iloilo, with contact number 0912-107-8573. Powered by Professional Electronics.